Alright guys, we're gonna go down here and see what's up. Yeah. Yeah. All the okra's gone. Said all the okra's gone. Huh?
Oh yeah. I think that's the last two over there. They grew up so fast and they died out like fast.
What?
It's a flower. Shut up.
Little confused. What's the difference between that church and that church? Oh, it's Baptist? I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Which one had the room to rent?
Huh?
Which one had the room to rent?
Not this one.
Not that one? There? In the Ghost Acres? Oh, that place has a room to rent. I'd hate to see the room. Ay, ay, ay.
Saan to? Wala ko balo. Ano na mo? Nagbalay?
What? What? I don't see any bees. I don't see any bees. There's houses back here?
Okay. So Angel's father took out all of this Make into eggplant. Eggplant.
That's why they're always got that eggplant back at the house.
Mm.
It's all eggplant?
Ah, that's all withered. Oh, look. That's fresh.
Hey.
Wow.
Whoa! What the? I thought that was a hawk snooping down. There was a leaf.
Look.
What is that?
Eggplant.
Oh, that's all eggplant?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What's up there, pretty chicken? Pretty rooster.
The rooster.
How you doing? What is that? No, last time I did that, last time I did that, you got me. Thanks.
Guwapa sa bumbel.
Ayun na kayo mga. Look like pink.
Ha? Yeah.
Look daddy.
What? Flowers, huh?
Pink
Lots of flowers.
Na may pink ka pangur.
Naman yung iro. Iro nga. Kuwan. Uy, paampo na itong madam.
What's up, buddy?
Pet. Bless you, my loves.
They're trying to get to the river.
Gusto daw niya matito. Don't get too close to the dog.
I'm not going to.
Ano sa ito yung ngalan ani? Kamote? Ano yan ang kamote na eh?
Mga kwan po na pwede po siya kamuti.
Mote. I thought it grew on the ground.
I thought so.
Oh, they got pineapple too, huh?
Maisa na sa bus.
Nabi daw. Dali ara nakatanong no? Dali ito yung tubo no?
Nilukod mo daw na. Sapa.
Dito? Nya wag ulan ba magkalubong-lubong din ang motor.
Oo. Dari maagin. Yan sa loob.
Mo yan gisanggutan?
Yung atong inom tuba.
Ah, sakto na kaya. Tagaig to ba? Ah, pwede daw yun. Volleyball, dahil direte.
Dulay.
Maya. Volleyball. Oh.
Ito ang kabaw mo.
Ano?
Ito ang kabaw mo.
Ada-ada ba yung kita amnan? Wala dahil apin ito?
Ya. Ay, namak na tuba.
Ang napot ha?
There's caribou.
Ito ang sadam. Look like
Sige na siya balik to. Ah, iya siya balik to. Dagan din magdagan. Kala ko yun ba mag-refrap na. Ano yun?
Ha?
Bilog na bilog mo. Meron. Wala may tubig ya. Wala mo na bukit. Daman ako nga. Gani. Nagdapay. Oh.
Oh, we got baby.
Hey, don't get too close.
I'm not going to.
Nanganak ko na ginalaga. Ano ba? Pila ka man.
Huh? Honey,
Ano na?
you don't know. Oh,
Naman nagsugod.
I wasn't here last time.
Yeah. Wala. Ikaw una. Oh, wow. Ito. Adik ko. Magi dong. Magi ni mama mo lago. Dana mo. Dari tigil. Please una. Sakon pupus na gid na. Lamok. Lamok. Dan kana dana kang yubabi na nimo. Kana mukul babi na. Kani ka papa. Hapit kami ni mga nagon. May lagi pong dili kawaton. Pwede na kuan lang magtinda. Anagon. May lagi pong dili kawaton kay doon kay kono. Na.
Haven't been down here in a while, folks. It's all changed.
Yeah.
Crops have changed.
Una dong. Una ba?
Whoa.
Para ko kalag balik dire.
We got children of the corn up here.
Wow.
What? Bamboo.
Bamboo. Ay, naik kamating kahoy. Starro. Ay, yan eh.
What is it?
Ay, mo na yung gingon yung harvest. Starro root.
Mga kanin nga ni Ugma, kinulit ko na eh.
Ano man?
Uy, maghikay dito. Naglahi naman din dito.
Ah. Ano ka? Dami sila harvest. Wow. Wow. Uy.
May kalya.
I think we came down to this dam before. It's a natural dam break. Maybe we did, I don't know. Yep. About as far as we're going. All right, welcome back. I don't want to be jumping in and saving you, any of you. I don't want to be falling in myself. Hey. Come to the peppers. They have peppers
Do
here.
you remember that? When we were eating taro the other day? It's from here.
Uh-huh. Oh. The last time we came down here, this cornfield wasn't even here. That they hadn't planted corn here before. It comes right up though. Comes right in. Uh-oh, there's a cow. So what kind of corn is this?
Yellow corn.
Is this the sweet corn?
Yellow.
Or is it for cow feed?
Ay, nabaw naman dahil, no? Okay, nakita naman, no? Ay, murag na ay fish down. Murag na ay fish. Oh, I see the fish. There's a bunch of fish.
Where?
Look, look. Over there. Look. Look.
Where?
Look. Right there. They already moved. They're moving. Oh.
Are you seeing things?
They ran away.
Run away. Or they swim away.
Claro.
Oh, okay. That's not
What's
a
a
fish.
bunch? It's a bunch of.
That was not a fish.
It is.
No, that was some kind of
Janitor.
freshwater shrimp or something. Now, how come we never bring a fishing rod out here?
Yeah, they do sometimes. Diba mamingwit sila dre?
Oh.
Pero dili man kay nila lalo, saan pa pamingwit?
Beautiful area.
Basta na to.
But this tree branch being here. Or this tree trunk. Better watch out, there's a cobra under there. Bring a fishing pole here, it's fish all day. Hold it. See that fish jump?
Mm.
It goes again.
They're catching fish.
Now we just have to get by Mr. Cow. And Mr. Cow Patties here. Don't step in the cow patties.
Careful!
I thought that was a cow coming after us. I thought it was a cow. Oh, it's big, thick. Bamboo.
Magtanaw ba kay bawal makuan, maapakan kay na ay mga
Don't step in any cow patties.
tunok.
I've seen 3 different phases of the corn here, so they plant it in 3 different times. Pretty smart. Keep it going, huh? So where's the exit there, farm girl?
Wow.
Farmer Lynn, where's the exit?
Then step on it, oy. Kaya na sa natin.
Gilid ra pa.
Ow.
Isa po niya, yellow corn po ni.
Lock pa balat eh.
Yellow corn.
Is that for, but who eats the yellow corn, honey? People or animals?
Ano aman diri daghang kuan oh. Kamunggay. Napagalit diri daghan oh.
Simple question asked twice. No
Huh?
answer. Who eats the yellow corn?
Di eat it.
People or the,
People.
that's what I was asking.
Mm.
That's the sweet corn then.
Hala. Handa ang suod ng gabi ito. Nakaw. Lag mo niya, te? Ang traman nila yung
Medicinal.
tao.
Nami jure. Meet me.
Dili magalaglag.
So,
So who climbs?
sometimes ano,
Who climbs these?
di ba si Barabi, sahay? You know Barabi? He climbs it too. Yeah.
That's a little high for me.
20 pesos per ano?
Per coconut?
Yeah.
Is it based on the tree height?
Yeah, per coconut. Wow. That's real life.
But is that's what I'm saying though. The higher the bigger the tree, the more they get?
No. It's 20 pesos.
20 pesos for that tree and that
Yeah.
tree. Just the coconut.
Yeah,
Doesn't matter.
20 pesos, 20 pesos.
Per tree or per
Per tree.
coconut?
Per tree.
Per tree, okay. And then when they do a harvest, how many do they get out of a tree at a time?
It depends.
Average. Ballpark.
Kaya daw kabo? Kaya kabulig? Depende? It depends. Depends.
Nak, dili mo sa ka.
Kanyo, wala kayo no?
That's a tall ass tree to be climbing.
Haman. Halang, ano man?
It's quicker to the ground. Hey there, baby goat. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing?
Ano naman dahil no? Ano yara na ko ano? Ano dahil ka man dahil na?
What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? What? I know. You don't like me? I get it. Yeah, like come down here about every 6 months, see what's going on.
Ano yung star apple?
Dahil dagang nilog sa damote, may bukat-kat.
Uy, ito ara oh.
Gane. Kung makaabot ka, nangangalas ba ka? Nanguhit mo sinisel kanina. Natural! Namapit ko.
Ngayon, layo ako na. Oh, wow.
Ano? Wala kami.
There's a star apple here.
Yeah.
And that's how you get them? What are you doing, boy? I'm right there, you know.
Bubong baril mo.
Wow, they're all over the place.
Hala, tara. Tara, dito panggoy. Uli na. Agap. Yeah! Gusto ka eh. Daot.
Ay?
Daot ay.
Ha?
Daot.
Hindi, nakuhaan na to.
Daot. Daot din ah. Na, panay. Lambos.
Nalam.
Is there no,
I know.
is there no market for them or what?
They overripe.
That's what I'm saying. Is there no market for them?
There is.
Not eating it. That's well past the 5-second rule.
Bukat kayo.
Hinog din na.
Wait lang ba? Di mo makawit eh. Panggok mong guna, di mo nakawit. Ilese. Agay nakawa dabi. Mapalay ni Ro.
Hawa na pitpit. Hawa.
Ata, putaw na niyo.
You're in the drop zone.
Hey, get out there, get out there.
You're in the drop zone.
Bukat man ang nas. Tumoy ko. Kawayan man na.
Hawa na pitpit. Dali, 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 dali. Lamay ba?
Mahulog. Ibi ba? Lamay. Oh, anak.
Hawa mo na, be. Get out there. Ay na, oy. Napilaw na bitaw to.
Anak, uy. Di makaling ba?
Yeah, she's definitely looking on. No space.
Wait, ra.
Mama.
Alrighty. Getting humid.
Ha?
Kan naman magpapit daw. Na,
Mm.
sikong. Kay, yang, yang,
It's
sawa, piti ng hubuga.
tree.
Di,
Huh?
nagkit
Sunkist. Dalandan.
Then, sumbang ng kuan. Ang bigyo lang sa sawa.
Sun-kissed Dalandan. And what's it grow?
That tastes like an orange.
It grows fungus.
Bibi? Uy, buot ko yung sawa ko. Uy,
Hmm?
namin mulberry dead to.
Dito? Ano sa daw? Ali na!
Dari na kali. Mulberry.
Ah, sige, Parang heart. Pag sa layo ba? Mag-heart.
Mulberry. Daw pa niya ay. Hindi ka. Makaantok. Bulang ang nilo.
Yeah, this is where all the eggplant came from.
Yeah.
Panggoy!
That's where all the new eggplant will come from.
I think this is ano. Kisa nagtanong ano lang? Ah, siya pinili? Atsal? Atsal no?
What is it?
Sili? Ano sa nga sili? Sili nga. Sunflower.
So cute, Daddy.
Flower.
It's still growing, huh?
Tipay.
This field ain't done yet.
Lang no, na yung mga kuan. Manok, hey, get out there, manok.
No, matalong ito sa gamin mo.
Ay, pala.
Lamay.
Kuan na yung mga dahon good.
All right, on our way back.
A lot of stars to be here.
Yep. I didn't even know what it was until about 2 days ago. 3 days ago.
How did you find out?
Because she was pointing it out at the house.
Mm.
That tree that's in the back there.
Mm.
And then, I don't know, I made a comment that it was a jackfruit or something.
Mm.
And then somebody corrected me. Quickly. He came back within 5 minutes from posting. That's a sour soup. Sour soup?
Sour soup.
Sour soup.
That's the one that is very
It's like,
famous for killing cancer.
you got durian, jackfruit, they all look the same to me.
No, it's different.
Just a prickly
Sour.
prickly fruit.
Prickly fruit. Durian is the most dangerous one.
Well, I've never even tried it.
I haven't eaten durian. I don't really like it. Just think so. You said it's good.
All right, music stopped, so I have to cover the mic.
Did you see that water? It goes out on where you stand
Uh-huh.
on that cliff.
Yeah, I get it. I get it. Uh-oh, music start.
Hi!
Wow. Good timing, huh? Let's see if they were building anything on that lot yet. That lot, this lot, nothing being done on them. A lot back there.
Okay, okay. But they didn't do anything.
They put some rocks there.
Chef, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you today?
Yeah, good.
Oh, rain's starting. And this dog brought all 5 of her puppies over here last night.
Yeah.
Now we got to figure out something to do with them. Why did you come right in front of my camera? Camera etiquette.
The brown one.
And you got another one just like Blackie.
Mm.
Another junior Blackie.
Don't you look? The brown one looks cute though.
Yeah.
Hi.
I'll tell you what they look like. They look like mama needs to stop having kids.
Ayaw, bakit? Pakan ka.
But that's not the place to raise them.